front-end developer job in 2025 will be one of the most high-paying skills fully remotely. And why I'm saying that? It's simple. Right now we are living in digital era and all companies are going to make money online. And then they need the people who will create their digital presence online. And still there is a space for multiple people to join this space. And to be real, it's not that difficult. You just need to put it in the work, understand basics, and just go into this market. And let's start maybe from why actually I'm talking to you. So basically I'm Alexander, I'm 23 years old, and I'm front-end product designer. So I'm doing front-end development plus UI UX design. And currently I'm living on a beautiful lake around the world and living, to be real, my dream life in this age. And the reason why I could achieve this lifestyle is that 4 years ago I started learning front-end development. To be real, I made so many mistakes on the beginning of my journey, and if I can name one of this mistake, it's learning everything by myself. It was one of the worst decisions what I have made, because for the things what I could learn in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, I was spending months to learn because I had no mentor. I didn't know how to learn it. I didn't know what's important right now, what will be important later. So in the beginning I made so many mistakes, and right now I want to help you to avoid them so you can join this market earlier and start monetizing it earlier. So that's why we are coming right now to our 15 days front-end developer program, which will allow you in this 15 days to get all needed basics, starting from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also basics of UI UX design, which will make you able to go into this market with confidence. And no matter what's your goal, if it's to start your freelancing job, if to open your maybe business, or maybe to get hired for the company, no matter what's your goal, but after these 15 days you will be able to do that. Of course, you will be not professional, but this level will allow you to go into this market and start making your first projects. So this project is structured on the 3 different parts: week 1, week 2, week 3. From the week 1st, we will start from the completely basics, which is HTML and UI UX fundamentals. So you will learn, after this first week, you will know how to build the HTML structure of the website. You will know how to implement inputs, how to implement headers, text, lists, and also you will learn UI UX fundamentals. So you will learn how properly to place content on the screen so it's more readable, more user-friendly, and it will allow you for the future, create better projects where you are getting paid, of course, more. And after every of this week, there will be one project what you are doing by yourself, and it's connected to the knowledge what you acquired in this week. So after first week, we will create first project. You will create the first project by yourself, and you will get feedback from me. Then we are coming to week 2, and in week 2 there will be CSS. CSS is the tool what allows you to put colors, to put fonts, to put all visual stuff on the raw code. And this just makes website look better, dashboards look more user-friendly, and this is the thing what we need to create something beautiful. And of course you will learn the basics of the layouts, so how to structure, how to place content on the website, that it's not crashing, that it's responsive, it's folding up, folding down. And this week 2 will allow you to build something what's actually working. And after the week 2, there is also a project what you will create by yourself regarding this all knowledge what you acquired in week 2. And of course, after this week 2, you will get a feedback from me what you can improve, how you can make it better, more efficient and faster. And also you will learn one of the most important tools if you want to work in a team, which is Git and GitHub. It's the tool which allows you to create, to work with a team and update projects together to create versions. So you are not working on one, but you are just updating next and next version. So this is really important if you want to work in the team. And week 3 will end with JavaScript and interactive UI. JavaScript basically is one of the most important part, where you will learn how to create functions to the website and make it actually work. So for example, how to make form actually sending the message. So this is not only looking good, but it's also working. So week 3 will end with a big project where you will create your portfolio website, or you will create a website, what I will tell you that can be good to present in portfolio for your future customers. And also you will learn this whole interactive UI, so you can make a website working and you can make website looking good, so actually someone wants to pay for it. And these 3 weeks will allow you to improve your knowledge, to get into this market, and basically to get this all important things, important knowledge, what you need to start this job. So as I previously said, I started it 4 years ago. Right now I'm experienced, and one thing what I can say is that don't try to do it by yourself, because you will waste time. Learn it with someone who will show you the route, tell you what's the most important, what you can skip for now, and make it just more easy. Because with the learning, it's not only about just sitting and learning hard, it's all about learning smart, learning this what's needed, learning efficient, and actually achieving your goals, not in 1, 2, 5 years, but right now. So I would like to invite you for this Bali edition. I want to assure you that this project will change and improve your knowledge drastically, and I would be happy to teach you actually here on Bali, in this beautiful villa and in this beautiful environment. So see you there and have a good day. Bye.